In this video, I will show you how to convert a currency in Wise. So you can follow along on the mobile app or on desktop. So right now I'm on desktop, but the steps are pretty much the same. So what you want to do is first just click on the currency that you want to convert to a different one. For example, I'll select GBP. Now it can be any one of them. Then from there, you just want to go and click on convert. And then here at the top, just first choose how much you want to convert. For example, I'll do £10. Then at the bottom, choose what you want to convert to. For example, I'll select US dollar, and you can just select anything that is available. And then from there, click continue. Then you will see the fee and rate and stuff like that. If you want to confirm, then just click on convert. And it says all done, 10 GBP to 13.23 USDT. And it's now done. Just go and click got it. And now you can see instead of pounds, I now have US dollars. So that's how you can convert currencies on Wise. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.